I am a university professor at the University of North Carolina at Greensboro, and I've been teaching there for about 10 years. And I teach in the School of Music. I'm also a composer and a pianist, conductor. I'm honored this year to be the 1992 commissioned composer for the state of North Carolina, and I'm working on a piece to be performed at the state convention. I'm also very interested in education and in learning. I'm very dedicated as a teacher. And over the past 10 years, I've been associated with the professional division at the Monroe Institute. And a few years ago, I did a research project. And the research project was an attempt to see what effect hemisync would have on the learning of musical intervals. It's one of those things that students have to learn, and I thought that perhaps we might be able to facilitate that process. And I had a bright-eyed and bushy-tailed group of freshmen, their first semester, who signed up to be a part of the study. And we had a control group as well as an experimental group. The tape that I used was set up here at the Institute. It contains 3 parts. There was a test at the beginning. In the central part of the tape, there was a lecture, discussion, and presentation of the various musical intervals. And then at the end of the discussion, there was another test. And what I wanted to do was to find out if students would remember more following the discussion, whether they were in the experimental group or the control group, just to see what effect hemisync would have. And I was delighted to find out that in the experimental group, that the students taking their post-test, on the average, scored twice as many times better than the control group. In other words, they did better twice as often. This seems to suggest to me that the hemisync technology assists in focusing concentration as well as maintaining it over a long period of time. We're talking about a 40-minute period, so that impressed me very much.